Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about Spocket. If you're like me and you're always looking for new ways to make money online, then you've probably heard of Spocket. It's a dropshipping platform that allows you to sell products without having to carry any inventory. But is it a good option for you? Before we get into that, let's talk about what dropshipping is. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products that are stored and shipped by a third-party supplier. You don't have to worry about inventory, packaging, or shipping. All you have to do is find a supplier, list their products on your website, and then take orders. When a customer places an order, you simply forward it to your supplier. The supplier then ships the product directly to the customer. So, what are the benefits of using a dropshipping platform like Spocket? Well, for starters, it's a low-cost way to start an online business. You don't have to invest in any inventory or equipment. You also don't have to worry about shipping or customer service. Another benefit of using Spocket is that it gives you access to a wide variety of products. You can choose from over 200,000 products, including clothing, jewelry, electronics, and home goods. Finally, Spocket offers a number of features that can help you grow your business. For example, you can use their product research tool to find profitable products to sell. You can also use their marketing tools to promote your products and attract customers. So, is Spocket a good option for you? If you're looking for a low-cost way to start an online business, then yes, it is. However, it's important to do your research before you sign up for a Spocket account. There are a number of other dropshipping platforms available, so it's important to compare them and see which one is the best fit for you. Now that we know what Spocket is and how it works, let's take a closer look at some of the pros and cons of using this platform. Pros: low-cost way to start an online business. Access to a wide variety of products. Product research tool. Marketing tools. Free shipping on orders over $50. 30-day money-back guarantee. Cons: some products have low profit margins. Can be difficult to find unique products. Customer service can be slow. Overall, I think that Spocket is a great option for anyone who is looking to start a dropshipping business. It's a low-cost way to get started, and it offers a lot of features that can help you grow your business. However, it's important to be aware of the cons before you sign up. Now, let's talk about some of the things you need to do before you can start using Spocket. Choose a niche. What products are you going to sell? It's important to choose a niche that you're passionate about. This will make it more fun to run your business. Create a website. You can use a platform like WordPress or Shopify to create your website. Find a supplier. Spocket has a marketplace where you can find suppliers. You can also use Google to find suppliers. Choose your pricing. How much are you going to charge for your products? Set up your shipping and returns policy. Promote your website. Once you have your website set up, you need to start promoting it. You can do this through social media, email marketing, and paid advertising. Once you've completed these steps, you're ready to start taking orders. Now, let's talk about some of the challenges of using Spocket. Competition. There are a lot of other dropshippers using Spocket. This means that you need to find a way to stand out from the crowd. Profit margins. Some products have low profit margins. You need to make sure that you're pricing your products correctly so that you can make a profit. Customer service. Customer service can be slow. This can be frustrating for your customers. Overall, I think that Spocket is a great option for anyone who is looking to start a dropshipping business. However, it's important to be aware of the challenges before you get started. Now, let's talk about some. Do your research. Before you list a product, make sure that you do your research. Find out how much other people are charging for the same product. Provide excellent customer service. This is important for any business, but it's especially important for dropshippers. Promote your website. Use social media, email marketing, and paid advertising to promote your website. Be patient. It takes time to build a successful dropshipping business. Don't give up. Overall, I think that Spocket is a great platform for anyone who is looking to start a dropshipping business. It's a low-cost way to get started, and it offers a lot of features that can help you grow your business. However, it's important to be aware of the challenges before you get started. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.